Hey everybody, guess what day it is? It's Thursday, and if you said John's going camping, you're right. Here's working. Alright, so haven't said that in a long time. I was getting kind of annoyed by it, and you guys were all making fun of me, so I stopped. Anyways, yeah, I am going camping, and it is Thursday, about 4:15 p.m. Heather unfortunately has to work, so I'm going down to get all set up. Going back down to a place we always go, Mohican Wilderness, and I'm going to shoot a video on our scooters that are in the back of the truck, and that's probably about it. It was supposed to be the Bluegrass Festival, but it got canceled for the COVID, and the bands aren't going to be there, but a lot of the people that play at their own campsites and everything will be there. We know a few of them, so we're hoping to go down and do some jamming all night long, all weekend long. Making my son take our yard trash to the recycling. That's what happens when you don't go camping. You gotta do work around the house. So, everything looks good. I'm out of here. Catch you later. On the road here, and I thought I'd give a month update on the Halo View rear view mirror observation backup forward camera RD10, whatever the heck the name is. I really like it. Once again, I like it because there's no screen on the dash, but the picture, let me turn this around, the picture is just amazing. Really clear, really does a good job. What I like it for is the backup camera, not to back up with, but when I'm getting over, Heather's always yelling, "That guy's too close, that guy's too close." And I know he's not. I can tell by shadows, and I just know where the end of the trailer is. But I can point up there and say, "Heather, look, that guy's nowhere near my bumper." And it does when you're in tight traffic and you got to get over real quick. You can just glance up there and you know for sure, okay, I'm not going to clip the front of anybody. But yeah, it does a really good job. I haven't pulled the chip out and pulled any of the video out and used it. Oh, hold on, cop. I should have noted that on the Waze app. Beep. Police. Yeah, so I really enjoy this Halo View camera. Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick little review here on our Mototech Knockouts. We got these from a website called Upzy, upzy.com, and in the search field, if you just type in Knockouts, these will come up. You can also go to bigtoysusa.com, and they have the same ones. Seems like Big Toys USA, easy for me to say. Big Toys USA is the warehouse that actually houses these, and Upzy just resells them, but you can buy them directly from Big Toys USA. Big Toys USA will charge you shipping, where Upzy does not charge you shipping, but their price is a little bit more. Okay, so these electric scooters have a headlight. One click forward just turns on the ring. Two clicks forward turns on the headlight. Disc brakes in the front. Disc brakes in the back, which you can't, there you can kind of see them. You do have foot pegs here for a second passenger. They do hold up to 450 pounds. We licensed ours, and we just licensed them as mopeds. These have a 1,000-watt motor in the rear hub, and we have nickel cadmium batteries, 48-volt in the right underneath where your feet go. You can get the model that has a 2,000-watt hub with LiPo batteries. They're going to go further distance and have a little bit more speed, but for one of the LiPo 2,000-watt, you're going to spend about $1,700. For two of the nickel cadmium with 1,000-watt, they're only $800 a piece. We just printed out, went on the BMV, printed out the moped registration, took it to the BMV, and put some license plates on them. We got the license plate holder off of YouTube. No, we didn't. We got the license plate holder off of Amazon, and we are going to order some mirrors because it would be nice to be able to see behind you. It does not have a speedometer. When you turn the key on, you just have your battery level. This tells you if your lights are on, and that tells you if you are charged. Let's see, what else? This is your throttle here. Front brake, rear brake, horn. Shocks in the front, shocks in the rear. They're adjustable. The seat is pretty good, but for some reason it does seem to hurt my tailbone after a while riding it. Of course, we had to pimp them out with the Schmoor Camping with the Schraggs sticker. And we like them. Right? Over there? She's over there with the Dutch oven making Appalachian bean soup. Whatever that is. But yeah, we really like these scooters. They come in handy at home and when we're camping. And if you ask how we take them, I have the tri-fold tonneau cover here, and it just so happens that the wheel fits under just enough where we can put one scooter at an angle here and one scooter at an angle there. And then I use the tie downs just around the frame. Put the kickstands down, let them lean a little bit. We use these moving blankets around their fender just in case they do shift. That way they're not scratching up against the bed. And then I bought a little piece of metal. Actually, it was my dad's. If you look in there on that 2x8, it's just a little piece of angled metal that you can set on your bed. And then we just carry around this big 2x8x8. We throw it in the camper. And then we just put it on the back of the truck and roll them down the ramp. Somebody said they ride theirs up the ramp, but there's no way in heck I'm going to try that. But we really like them. Anything else I should tell them about the scooters, Ben?
I don't think so. We'll do a driving later.
Yeah, we'll do a little driving later. Everybody in the campground wants to ride them. Everywhere we go, people are stopping us. Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? Is that electric? Blah, 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 blah. So there's a whole group of people down here that want to give them a test drive, so we're going to go down there and let them give them a ride. Oh, we did order right in here. These are the chargers. They just plug in right here. And they take about 4 to 8 hours to charge, I think it is. And then we did buy these here off of Amazon. They are just covers for a scooter or a small motorcycle. And they work out good. They have a strap. They strap under the back tire. And then in the front, there's 2 big hole grommets about that big that you could put a chain through or whatever if you want to chain them up. What else? You can ride them in the rain. We rode them, Kenny, Dave Fitch, and I rode them at Delaware until about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning in a downpour. It was great fun. But we really enjoy these scooters. So all of the things we have purchased for them, we'll put in the description, a link for the Amazon links, and then I will put in the link for the actual bikes on the 2 different websites. So, yeah. Everybody keeps asking us, so I thought, well, I just will tell everybody and say, hey, just go to our channel and check out the video on it. We're over here at Caribou Dave's. He's working, and we're getting ready with our tripod there and our Dutch oven, trying to get these coals going and get them burnt down. Right? Look at Heather's new shirt. I got a new hat, finally. If you've seen my brown Guinness hat that has holes all through it, I'm retiring it. And this is the new one. So, you want to say anything else to the peeps? We met a lot of people here this weekend. All right.
So here you ask. I need this Dutch oven going.
Oh, hold on. I got to go show them the tank. Let me go over here. You guys are going to love this. So, when we come down here, we mostly try to help out. And we were working the gate last night and today, just checking car passes. And yesterday, this guy pulls in with this pop-up. And I'm like, what the heck is that? Now, you got to imagine it with the roof down. It looks exactly like a tank. He said, I bought this pop-up for $300. Couple rattle cans of green spray paint. And he had stenciled all around it, like on the little doors, ammunition, fuel. So, here, I don't want to invade on their camp spot. But is that not the coolest damn thing? He's like, heck yeah, I had to redneck it out. But I think that's super cool. Nothing underneath the turret on the top. I thought maybe he had air conditioner up there or something. But I told him, hey, you know, we could make that PVC pipe shoot potatoes. Put a little potato cannon up there, that'd be fun. But yeah, cool little deal. Uh-oh. Someone's chasing me. Someone's chasing me. What?
The sun is going to shine tomorrow morning before we eat because you will not come help.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready. We got lights at nighttime here. It looks like Disneyland because Caribou Dave over there has laser lights and colored lights hanging on his tree. And then we got these white lights right here. And we got these white lights. We got the blue lights on the front of the camper. We have a good time. So, we'll talk to you. Bye.
Hang on, I'm not taping yet.
Me, it was the dog.
I'll start over again.
The dog.
Hi, we're dads, and we're going to tell you some jokes. Go ahead, Eric.
I can hardly wait to you guys to hear these jokes because they're fantastic.
All right, I'll go first.
And I mean fun. And I don't mean just
Why
fantastic.
can't you hear a psychiatrist using the bathroom? Because
Wait a
the
minute.
P is silent.
I kind of wanted to guess a little that before you went into that exactly. But that's okay. I appreciate that. Now, there's 2 muffins in an oven. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I thought it was kind of funny. All right.
Cut.
What's brown and sticky? Poop. Van, what is brown and sticky?
Your poop. Brownies.
I can't
A
tell you.
stick.
That's a good one.
What do you call an elephant that doesn't matter, Eric?
An elephant that doesn't matter, man. Well, I would say that would be a...
Irrelevant.
Correct!
Irrelevant.
You're next. Keep reading.
You know, man, when I was a kid...
All right, I'll read mine now.
All right.
What do you get from a pampered cow?
A pampered
Pampered cow.
What do you get from a pampered cow?
Yes.
A giant diaper.
Wrong.
No?
Spoiled milk.
I think you all get that, right?
Are you going to tell a joke or?
I've decided to sell my vacuum cleaner.
Because it blows.
Why?
Because it sucks.
Did she
It was
just get
just
that?
gathering dust.
It sucks, honey. That blows.
No, wait. I got another joke. Hey, hey,
I can't put that on television.
my dog has no nose. How does he smell?
How does he smell?
Awful.
Kids love that.
Well, I got to tell you, I'm out, man. I got stuff to cook. I'll see you guys later.
Wow, that took a serious
Let me see your ascot.
That was a serious
What do you
turn
got?
of
You've got him.
events.
You are like a movie.
He's like a...
Cassie, you're awesome.
Hey everybody, back here with a subscriber and his dad, Jacob, Matt.
Yep.
So it's nice meeting you. You're gonna have a video coming out soon, I hope. He's gonna do a YouTube channel about hockey.
Yep.
And he told me he does not like Philadelphia.
Yep.
Philadelphia.
No Philadelphia.
Do you guys watch football?
Yes.
Who's your favorite football team?
Pittsburgh.
Yes, that's mine. Give me some. Awesome. My mom grew up just north of Pittsburgh, so I've liked them. When I was like 4 years old, I had Pittsburgh Steelers shoes. So anyways, you guys having a good time here?
We are.
Yeah.
We're having a great
How
time.
many times you been here?
Since
Since,
25 years.
oh, you come back every year?
Yeah, we're here all the time.
Nice.
As much as
You
we
got
can.
us beat on that. Even though everybody says you guys are always down there.
Yeah. My wife's been coming here since she was a little kid, so she's got me beat.
Oh, wow. Awesome. Well, hey, when you get your channel up, we'll promote it. Get you some subscribers.
All right.
See you guys later.
See ya.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
There you go. Listen to him. He's smart.
Hold on. I wasn't recording. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead now.
My puffer's out.
Down,
That's actually a 60-foot deep conch. That's why it's so pink and thick.
That's what.
How do you blow your conch?
Let me show you.
Your conch is very pink.
Thank you. Well, it is very fleshy pink, isn't it?
They're all pink on the inside. Wow. I have conch envy.